What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of AI and robotics. Buckle up, because things are about to get futuristic. From self-driving cars to robots writing screenplays, AI is no longer a distant sci-fi fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's reshaping our world in remarkable ways. Let's kick things off with something most of us love to hate: going to the dentist. Imagine a world where getting a crown takes minutes, not hours, and is done entirely by a robot. Sounds crazy, right? Well, a company called Perceptive is making it a reality with their AI-powered robotic dentistry system. This thing is packed with cutting-edge tech, from 3D imaging scanners to AI algorithms that can plan procedures with incredible accuracy. Think about it: faster, more precise dental work, potentially reducing the need for multiple appointments and minimizing the risk of human error. That's the power of AI in action, folks. We're all familiar with those little robot vacuums zipping around, keeping our floors clean. But what about robots that can handle a wider range of chores? Imagine robots that can do the dishes, fold laundry, even cook dinner. This isn't some Jetsons-esque fantasy. Companies like Robotics are developing advanced humanoid robots designed to integrate seamlessly into our homes and take care of those mundane tasks. Therefore, one robot is already demonstrating impressive capabilities like object manipulation, navigation, and even basic interaction. It's incredible to think that one day, we might have robotic assistants helping us out around the house, freeing up our time for more important things. But it's not just our homes that are being revolutionized by robotics. The construction industry is ripe for automation, and AI is playing a key role. A great example is a company called AES. They've developed a robot called Maximo that's designed to help build solar farms more efficiently. By automating tasks like panel installation, Maximo can significantly speed up construction time while reducing costs. This is a powerful example of how AI and robotics can not only improve efficiency but also contribute to a more sustainable future by accelerating the adoption of renewable energy. Now, let's talk about AI's potential to improve our health and well-being. We're talking groundbreaking advancements in healthcare, from AI-powered diagnostic tools that can detect diseases earlier and more accurately to personalized medicine tailored to our individual genetic makeup. And how about those surgical robots assisting surgeons with incredible precision, making complex procedures less invasive and recovery times faster? AI is transforming healthcare at an unbelievable pace, offering the promise of longer, healthier lives for all of us. Now, let's get creative. Some of the most mind-blowing advancements in AI are happening in the realm of art and creativity. AI art generators like Dall-E are capable of producing stunningly realistic images from simple text descriptions, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. We're seeing AI compose original music, write poetry, and even generate scripts for short films. This raises some fascinating questions about the nature of creativity and the role of AI in the future of art, don't you think? Hold on to your hats, folks, because the next frontier of AI is mind-boggling: brain-computer interfaces. Elon Musk's Neuralink is at the forefront, developing implants that could one day allow our brains to interact directly with computers. Imagine controlling devices with your thoughts, downloading knowledge instantly, or even merging our consciousness with AI. It sounds like science fiction, but the first Neuralink implants have already been tested in humans, showcasing the potential to restore lost motor function in paralyzed patients. This technology has the potential to fundamentally change what it means to be human. But with all this incredible progress comes a responsibility. One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI is job displacement as automation becomes more sophisticated. And let's not forget about algorithmic bias. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. Then there's the whole debate about the singularity, the point at which AI surpasses human intelligence, potentially leading to unpredictable and potentially dangerous consequences. It's crucial that we have open and honest conversations about these ethical dilemmas to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. So, what does the future hold for AI and humanity? It's a question with no easy answers, but one thing's for sure: this technology has the potential to be both incredibly beneficial and potentially dangerous. To harness the power of AI for good, we need collaboration, open dialogue, and a commitment to ethical development. This isn't just about technology. It's about shaping a future where AI empowers us all, not just a select few. Now, for some exciting news. You know I'm always striving to create the best content possible, exploring the most fascinating aspects of AI and how it's shaping our world. But I want to do more than just talk at you. I want to build a community where we can learn, discuss, and debate the future of AI together. That's why I'm excited to announce that I'm working on some exciting new formats for the channel, including Q&A sessions, live streams, and even interviews with experts in the field. But here's the thing. I need your help. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see more of on this channel. What questions do you have about AI? Who would you like me to interview? Your feedback is incredibly valuable, and I'm committed to making this a space where we can all geek out about the incredible world of AI.